Jinga Anna 96. This is Jagananna for you guys.
We make the strings louder.
So hello YouTube, I'm back with another video, and first time it is gonna be a good morning YouTube, maybe the first time. So I'm just headed out for a spin into the city, and then I have a bit of work. I have to go through the site once, then after that कहाँ जा रहा? कहाँ जा रहा रे? साइट हाँ हैदराबाद जाके आ गया? कब गया? So guys, he is the owner of Bikers of Official. So that's his reach on 650. And this is the place from where this is. And from him I bought the helmet tire. He's a very good friend of mine. We both live in the same area. So I just met him on the way, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and continue to watch the videos. Try watching my videos till the end, guys. So guys, comment down below if you want a review of the V-Storm 650. It's a stock exhaust bike. It's an ADV bike, guys. So please comment down below if you want a short review, or you want to know some specs about it. So please comment down below and let me know, guys. If you want me to review, if you guys want me to review the V-Storm 650, guys, of the 650. maybe it's the only one here in Vizag. I'm not sure about that. So he has just done from Vizag to Hyderabad alone. He was a solo rider. So he went to meet his relatives back in Hyderabad. So he was back yesterday. So that's what we were talking about. You see a jhinga on a ముందు పెట్ట लीटर 96 HP पे लीटर 96. This is Jagannath for you guys. 95. So guys, this is Fastto signing off. I forgot to end the vlog. So guys, this is Fastto signing off. We'll be back with another video. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video. We'll be back soon. Bye bye.